Hello, my name is Mohammed, and today I'm discussing about the formula machine. This is very important questions, okay, which is 2019 for the CSSE. So formula machine, so they are giving you a machine that tells you some information, okay. It says the starting number, okay, any number, okay, and then take off 3, and after that whatever the machine process, you need to multiply with the original number, and after that you need to process a number 12 times with the original number, and finally whatever the answer you're getting, you simply add a number 40 and to get the final answer. Let me take an example, okay. For example, if I say the starting number is 20, okay, so starting number is 20. So what we do, we simply, in this box, what we do, take off, so 20 minus 3, which is coming 17. So it means you take off original number, which is 20 minus 3, which is coming 17, and after that you need to process, and it says whatever the answer you're getting, okay, 17, yeah, and multiply by original number. The original number is 20. The 17 times 20, which is, how you worked, okay, 3, 17 times 2 is 34, and the 0, so 340. And after that you need to do what? Subtract 12 times original number. So it means the answer you're getting 340. And it says subtract. We are subtracting, it says 12 times with the original number. So I would say that original number is 20. So 12 times 20. So which is 240. So it means your answer 340 minus 240 is coming 100. And after that you need to add 100, says add 40. So your final answer will be 140. So this is the formula machine, okay. We are going to process the number according to the instructions, okay, as per saying in the first step, so take off minus 3. In the second step it says multiply by original number. So whatever the answer, you need to times by original number, any of the number, okay, so times, and after processing this you need to subtract. But this is very important, yeah, okay, you need to understand the answer you're getting after second step, okay, so you need to do 12 times with the original number. So 12 times with the original number, okay, any of the number, and finally you need to add 14 to get the answer. So this is the basically formula machine which is designed by mathematicians, okay? And examiner asking, okay, for this paper, asking about, okay, if a starting number is 23, okay, if a starting number 23, okay, so what is your final answer? Okay, so how we can work in this formula machine? Yeah, so simply what to do, the same things you need to do it. Okay, so examiner asking if the starting number is 23, so what is your final answer after processing in this machine? Okay, so the first step, take off minus 3. So what I'm doing, okay, the starting number 23 minus 3. So this is the first step. So 23 take away 3, the answer is coming 20. Okay, and after that is saying what you do, whatever your answer is coming, which is 20, okay, multiply by original number. So multiply with the original number. Original number is 23. So 23. Okay. So 20 times 23 is, how we work about, so 23 times 2 is, you just double the figure, yeah? So 2 is 4, 3 double is 6, and then 0, yeah? So 20 times 23 is 460. And the third step for the machine, okay, it says subtract 12 times original number. So our answer, which is 460. Okay, you need to subtract, okay, what? It says 12 times original number. So 12 times the original number is 23. So 12 times 23. So how you work 12 times 23? Okay, so 23. So 12 times 2 is 24, and 12 times 3 is 36. So it's coming 276. So 276. And after that, 460 take away 276. So the 460 minus 276. So it means 10 take away 6 is 4, and 5, so 15 take away 7 is 8, and 3 take away 2 is 1, so 184. So the answer will be 184. And final stage, whatever the answer you're getting, okay, so 184, you need to add 40. Okay, so if you add 40, so the answer will be 4, 4, 4 and 8 is 12, and 2 to 4. So this is the final answer. So it means the final answer you are getting 224 after processing a number which is giving you 23. So first you need to subtract from 3, and then whatever the answer you're getting, okay, so 23 minus 3, which is 20, and then the answer you're getting 20 multiply with the original number, which is 23, you get the 460. And it says subtract 12 times with the original number. So what we do in a bracket, we say 12 times 23, which is 276. And the answer you're getting in a second step, 460. So 460 minus 276 to get the 184. In the final stage, you need to add 40 in the last step and to get the final answer, 224. So this is the formula machine, okay? So how to process your number with the different stages, addition, subtractions, times, okay? And in the same way, okay? So examiner asking, this is the part A, okay? And the part A says that, okay, find the answer if the number is starting 23, okay? Now we are discussing for the second part, okay? Second part is they are giving you answer. So they are giving you the final answer value, okay? They are giving you the final answer, okay? And we need to work out the starting number. So we are going to discuss and the whole calculation on the basis of reverse calculation. So reverse calculation means you need to, okay, so they are giving you the answer which is 40. So the answer they are giving you, examiner says, okay, if you get the final answer 40, so what is a starting number if the final answer is 40. In this situations, okay, we need to work out, for example, a number which we don't know, okay, we say this is called x, okay, so I say that the starting number is x. The starting number is x. So the same formula machine is there, so we are processing according to the formula machine to get the answer. So in the first step is take off minus 3, okay, so I say that the starting number is x, okay. Take off minus 3. So x minus 3. In the second step it says what? Multiply by original number. So it means our answer on this, okay, so the answer is x minus 3. So x minus 3, and it says multiply by original number. So original number is x. So we need to times with this. So x, which is the original number, and x minus 3 we are getting from the first step. If I simplify this one, so we can get the answer x square minus 3x. So it means you process in the second stage. So x times x is x square, x minus 3 times to get minus 3x. In the third step, what you do, you simply say subtract 12 times original number, okay? So it means the answer you're getting x is square minus 3x, okay? It says 12 times with the original number. So I do minus 12 times, okay, with the original number is x. So it's cool. So the answer for this one for this machine process, the answer is coming final x square minus 3x minus 12x. And you further simplify this one, you say x square minus 3x minus 12x. Minus minus is plus, so it says 15x. So this is your third stage, okay? So you get the answer x square minus 15x. And after that it says you need to add a number which is 40, okay? So what we are doing, x square minus 15x plus 40, okay? And also they say, look at here, okay? If the final answer is 40, so it means answer is 40. So our final, I'm going to do it here clearly. So our final answer is coming, what? X is square minus 15x plus 40 equal to, you are getting the answer 40, yeah? This is already given, this 40, okay? So this 40 is coming in the last stage, okay? And you need to add 40 to get the answer final 40. So it means this is the equation we get now so far, okay? So we need to solve this equation. Okay, so this is x squared minus 15x plus 40. This is 40. In the next step, if I say what? Here is plus 40, there is 40, so it will cancel automatically if I move on the other side, okay? So it means x square minus 15x equal to 40. If I move here, 40, so it means this one and this one cancel. So x square minus 15x equal to 0. And if I take a common, x is a common in these two number, x minus 15 equal to 0. Okay? This x is times here, okay? The inverse of the times, okay? If I move x on the other side, so it means it will be divided by 0, okay? So which is 0. And finally, the x equal to 15. So it means the starting number is 15. And how we can prove either 15 is a right number or not. So what we do, we need to do one thing, okay? Look at here, is the machine is here, okay? So we need to verify our answer. Either 15 is the right answer or not, okay? So if I say the starting number as per our answer, okay, I say the starting number is 15, okay? And this starting number I am going to subtract. So 15 take away 3, which is 12. And the answer 12 we are getting, okay, it says multiply by original number. So the original number, which is 15, okay, and 15 times 12, which is 180. And after that, the answer you're getting, they say, machine says 180, you need to subtract 12 times with the original number. So I say 12 times with the original, 12 times the original number 15, so 12 times 15 is coming 180, yeah? So it means 180 take away 180. So it means it's coming 0, yeah? So 180 take away 180, which is coming 0, okay? And if this machine, okay, I am putting 0, so 0 plus 40, so the final answer which is coming 40. So as per your question says the final answer is 40, okay? So find out the starting number, okay? So we work out on the basis of this equation that x equal to 15, okay? And to verify this answer by putting this number in a formula machine, okay? 15 take away 3, 12, and 12 times 15 is 180, 180 take away minus 180 to get the 0, 0 plus to add in the last stage is 40 to get the answer 40. So if the answer is 15 for the question number B. So this is the formula machine, okay, and this is basically question which is for came for CSSE in 2019. Yeah, so if you like this video, so please subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.